guys, I hope you're all well. So today I'm just doing a quick eye and lip look for you, which is this. If you want to see how I achieved it, then please keep watching. I feel like this lighting right now, it's not so bad when I zoom in on my eyes when I do the tutorial, but I feel like it looks really yellow, so I need to buy myself a new ring light, so that will be my mission for the rest of the day. But yeah, anyway, if you'd like to see how I achieve this, then please do keep watching. So to create this eye, on this eye, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette, which is stunning, as you can see, gorgeous. I'm going to go in with the shade Sienna to start, which is a really like burnt, rusty kind of brown, and like a crease shade. I'm going to be using this brush here. It's like a dense blending brush, but it's really quite, the bristles are really close together, so it's very dense. There's no name on this, so I have no idea what it is. I just know it's by a brand called Lily England. I use it quite a lot, but they don't have the bloody names of the brushes on them, which is annoying. So I'm going to be running this through the crease. And when you first put it on, it looks really dark, so it's a bit like scary because usually I go in for transition shade. But I just thought I'd try this because I did this yesterday and I actually got compliments on my makeup. So it looks messy at first, go through the crease like that. So this is why I think this, in a way, is a good way of doing it, because it starts off messy, which is scary, but feels like something everyone could do, because if that was how your eyeshadow looked, you'd be like, whoa, that is a bit insane, and give up. But I can show you how to go from this to this. Now I'm going to grab this big fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend the edges slightly first of all. And that's already like fading out that line. It's not perfectly blended, but it's just a bit to take away the harshness. I'm now going to use a mixture of burnt orange and orange soda, and I'm going to be using another Lily England brush, but this one is still dense, but just not quite as. So you could use a fluffy, just any blending brush really for this. So I've mixed those two shades together, and I'm just going to blend out that line with them. Going quite high up. And just like tickling the eyelid a little bit. We'll go below the brow at the front there. It looks like this. I'm going to go in with the shade Mulberry, which is that deep kind of like plum kind of shade. And I'm now going to be using like a little pencil kind of brush. And it's the Morphe M507. Looks just like this. And what I'm going to do is firstly pop it on the outer corner of the eye to add some nice depth to that area. I'm going to pop a little bit of Sienna, the first shade, on with that actually on the outer corner so it blends in with the crease. I run it through the crease, but keeping right in the crease. So I'm just going to raise my eyebrows up a little bit so I can make sure it's going in the crease. I'm going to tickle it through just to deepen that crease area. So again, it looks a bit of a harsh line, so what I'm going to do is grab the first brush we use and get a bit more Sienna. Just run that through a little bit, just blending the edges out. Grab my big blending brush again, and I'm going to put a bit of orange soda and burnt orange on it. So on the base of the lid, apart from the edge where we put Sienna just there, ignore that bit, I'm going to use the shade Sultry. Now it's next to that gold metallic shade at the top. It's a really nice colour, gorgeous. Looks nicer on my eye, I think, than actually in the pan, because I only used it for the first time yesterday. I'm going to be using this brush here. It's just, this has no name either, but it's just like a flat brush. It's good to use wet or dry. I like to wet it slightly to apply so you don't get too much fallout. Applying it to the base of the lid. This is when I think, oh no, it's all going to go down my face because I can't put my head down enough for the camera. For the inner corner, I'm going to be using my highlight, which is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder in OMG. It's what I'm wearing on my highlight, like here on my cheekbone, and I've got it on the brow bone of the eye already. Just going to grab this concealer brush, pop it just there to brighten the eye. Now I'm going to go on the lower lash line, and I'm going to be using the shade Burnt Orange, and then I'm going to be using the shade Sienna, which is next to Burnt Orange. I'm going to be using the brush we used second, so the one that's like a nice blending brush. So a bit Burnt Orange. And I'm running it on the lower lash line. I'm just connecting it. I'm not going quite too low. It's pretty low for some of you, but just not low for me. It's kind of a bit more subtle, because I'm actually not going to put mascara on the bottom lashes. You can, but I just wore this yesterday and I got so many compliments. I've also got individual eyelashes on, obviously, which last like a few weeks. That's why I can't like take them off to do the tutorial. So put your mascara on, put some lashes on if you wish, but I've already got them on, so I'm not wearing like strip lashes and then I'm doing it. Like I would never do that, but I can't take these off. So there's Burnt Orange, and then I'm going to grab the brush we used firstly, the more dense one. So with your denser brush, get a bit of Sienna and just run that, try and keep that a bit closer to the lash line, just to deepen that, like that. Love it! Sultry, yeah, not too much because there's no bottom lashes on. I love it. Probably isn't much for some people, but I love it. So let's do the lips, and I'm using two. These are actually from a range that I stock. Smells so good. So what I'm going to do with this is going to be using, so this is Confidence, this is a darker shade. Give my lips an extra pop and like to make my lips look bigger. I'm going to be using the shade Promotion. And this has got a slight shimmer in it. And it's a bit more nude. And what I'm going to do is just pop this in like the centre. And sort of taper it out to blend it. Press your lips together. So that is the final look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this little quick tutorial. I really love this eye look. The lighting is not the best in here, guys. I need to get myself a new ring light. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you want to see any more makeup videos from me. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for watching, and I will speak to you soon.